And hello, here's the recording of the final MAD assignment. Out of the way first, I only have 2 unit tests. You mark down for that, that's fine, they both run. I'll get into showing the app functioning. First I'll show, here's an empty iPod, like the app isn't on here currently, just to show that dummy data works. I'll hit play now. The simulator, this is it running on the iPod Touch. When it eventually loads. And as you can see, it loads in with some default dummy data, 3 entries. Can edit the title here. It's a bit slow because it is running on my laptop. So let me just turn that back on. There you go. Here's also the keyboard thing. The simulator tries to turn it off on you. Let's go here and make that. Is that working? Can move these around. That's fine. Add a new one. That's fine. Going to the first one here. The base thing has its location notes, no reviews, because a new one shouldn't really have any reviews. You can add one pretty easily, can't edit it yet until you're in edit mode. It slides down, as you said, as it should do. Slides down to that. Can move them around. Can edit the URL. There you go, now it's a new image. Open up the map. The base location is set to Toowong. If I go here, find coordinates, it sets it directly over Toowong. If I drag it and do, which updates that, and I can do find location, and it will show me the new address there, which will then be displayed here. That all works. If we go back here, the new address is displayed there as well as the picture. All of these can be moved around. That all works. And that's it for the base phone working. Just shut that one down. I'll show it running on the iPad. When it loads. When it loads. My computer's not a fan of this. Yep, here it is. Oh, it's really not a fan of running on the iPad. Let's add a new one of these. There's that. Can also edit here. Keyboard come up. Once again, it is running slow because it's running on my laptop. Done. There you go, Jet Seederys. Let's click on one of these to display it. As you can see, it's all displayed very nicely. Here it is in edit mode. All nice and neat. Show the location with this. Once again, all very nice and neat. Yep, change that. Works well. Bit of side view here. So it works very lovely. Bit slow because, you know, laptop power. But all around good stuff. Yep, that's updated there. Cool. Let's show the code. Here is my dummy JSON data. It's passed into, which class is it? No, it's this class here when it's decoded by the bundle. This class contains, you know, versions of these classes, the same version of the core data ones. Master view has remained almost the same except for a call of this, which sets the dummy data. If this variable is true and this variable is true, where's content view? I'm blind. Yeah, if this is empty, if the core data version's empty, it will change. It will pass that through as it's new. What else? Should probably show off the core data. Not that. No, the actual core data itself. It's all a bit nicely stacked on top of each other. Here's what it looks like. Relationships. There's the new map view. It makes the location element the location, not element, what's it called? Entity, that's it. Into as a delegate, like the extension of it as a delegate to be used in map view on initialization. Every time the map is changed, it updates the coordinates, which is shown in this view model. There's a title string, latitude, longitude. They're set on a delay for easier typing on the location view. Location is C location, which is used for the map. Lookup name function takes the coordinates and finds the location name of it, and it sets it as spaced out like this, so it's the most accurate. Lookup position takes the title string and finds the coordinates of that, sets it there. This takes the span values to set the zoom level. And this changes the coordinates when the map is changed. This is the new location view. It has two buttons at the top. They'll look up the position or they'll look up the name. regular text editors for the title string and the longitude and latitude strings, because the delay on them is set on their sets, so I didn't need to make a new text field. This is the function that sets up the dummy data. Using this bundle extension, which decodes from the JSON file, it calls the add item function from here the amount of times that there is an instance of eatery in the JSON file, and then sets that newly created core data item details to those from the JSON file, and then saves. And that's it.